been a morning already. I caught a wiper, hybrid striped bass right off the bank. Caught an 18-inch smallmouth. Of course, I didn't run camera for any of it. Doing great here at this content creation thing. Anyway, we're out here at Spruce Run, pre-fishing for the opening event of the Kayak Anglers of Eastern PA season. Hoping to figure something out. I think the smallmouth I caught was a fluke. The wiper I caught doesn't count for the contest, but they were blitzing. It was like a ocean style striped bass blitz right up against the dock. So right where we launched. Definitely some big fish. The one I caught wasn't huge, but it was nice to start with a tug, right? Anyway, let's see if we can't figure something out. I'm getting less optimistic. Once again, didn't get the catch on camera because I'm doing a great job of this. But decent largemouth. I think I found my spot for Saturday. I don't know if anybody's into diving, but you could retrieve probably $100 worth of chatterbaits that I've deposited in this lake today alone. And I'm sure I'm not the only one. A huge one. Big enough though. Big enough to get me a limit. That's what matters. That's what this whole practice thing's about. Figuring out right where to find them. Good kayak bass. Not heavy, but long. Starting to figure out a little bit of a pattern here. Well, that's my 12th largemouth.
I need a little soul.